right on time. Beautiful Wednesday here in Upper Michigan. Just came back from the Dickinson County Fair where I entered some peppers and some squash as well as a corn stalk into the fair this year. Our county fair is this weekend. I can already tell you I won't get first place for the corn stalks. There's a corn stalk at the fair that's over 14 feet. But I think I have some chances on my peppers. Give a shout out to a couple of fans, subscribers who sent me messages in the last few hours. One lives up in Segola. He's been messaging me every train coming south in probably the last few weeks now. Another one lives here in Iron Mountain. They live up on the hill and can hear the train when they honk as they come through Iron Mountain. So I kind of get a heads up. Just want to thank those people. In railroading, let me ask you, so the engineer just then, he's sitting on this side of the engine. Does he always sit on this side of the engine? Oftentimes when they come back north, there was that one video where I thought the engineer was hanging out the window as they went north, and I was told no, the engineer is on the other side of the train. So I'm wonder, does he always ride on this side of the train? And how do they decide which side he rides on? Well, I see they got some more empty pulp cars. Maybe taken to Crivitz, I don't know. I know one thing, those are definitely going to Crivitz. I heard that once they get into full production, they'll be kicking out 10 to 15 of these per day. It doesn't look like they've got that quick yet, but I don't know. You think they'll need more power? I think they might want it. I didn't think that was the end. I figured there was more yet. Still got altered metal. Looking back behind me at the smart siding, kind of rocking a little bit. Nothing too bad, just the norm. Trust me, if it was rocking crazy, you'd be seeing it. Anyway, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below, and thank you so much for watching. All my new subscribers, over 76,000 now on YouTube. And I think we're at like 16,000 on Facebook. So, hey, a big shout out to you guys too. Thank you.